Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a fishing net, scoop up fish, this video is for you. So what we have here is a net that is made by this company right here. And this net's a little bit different. It's different because it is made out of like a silicone type material. So when you use it, you scoop up a fish, instead of it being like nylon or something that's like a fabric style, it's going to kind of wick away the water and be almost instantly dry. So it's not going to have that potential of, let's just say, rotting or getting stinky or whatever it is. Or if you're putting it into a vehicle after you've been done using it, it's not all soaking wet, because once you scoop it up and you shake it off, it pretty much is already dry. So once it's dry, once you get it, you give it a couple of shakes, and it's the water kind of wicks away. It's a little bit damp, obviously, because it was just used, but a couple of shakes and the water stays off, and it doesn't kind of sit around, whether it's in your car or in storage, and get all kind of nasty and stinky, because it's made out of silicone and it's going to be pretty much dry. There's a nice big opening for like trout or bass or anything that you can kind of hold with your hand. Very cool, deep enough to where it's not going to get out once you scoop it up. And it has a clip on it, so if you want to put it around your waist or belt or whatever, you kind of have it hanging next to you long enough to where if you want to leave it attached to you, you can. And the handle looks like it's been the whole wood, really nice finish there. The wood is covered in some kind of waterproof coating, like a lacquer or something, just to prevent the wood from actually getting wet. Very, very cool. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, if you catch any fish, can you tell us what you think about our fishing net? Hopefully all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.